Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this OPPO. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System Settings. After that, you need to click on Keyboard and Input method, select Keyboard, and finally click on Theme. Now scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. So sorry, misclick. This way you will see all available keyboards. Finally, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes to customize it. Now click on the photo that you wish to set up, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then select Apply one more time. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!